Hello, my name is Tobias. I'm a PhD student at CISPA, the Helmholtz Center of Information Security. I'm advised by Mario Fritz and also Marta Kwiatkowska from Oxford University. And I am a part of the ELLIS PhD Program, in which function I'm here to share my experiences on a panel and also a short talk. I'm also part of the ELSA project, and I'm working on robust and secure AI systems. This panel was a really interesting experience for me, because as a PhD student, we don't usually get the insights into the workings of how these networks are organized, how they're interconnected. And yeah, it was very eye-opening how many networks there are, how they work together, and how they come together to shape the European research landscape.